And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 140. Let me show the width tool. I'll create a line using the pen tool. Simply 2 left clicks here. Let me reselect it and I'll make the stroke width 10 points. Width tool can be found here. Short key is Shift W. If you can't find it, press Shift W or right click here on this box. Hover over the line and you can see your cursor changes. When there's a little plus sign below the cursor icon, you know that you can use it. And then simply left click drag and you can go to different positions to create different, let's call it width anchor points. So a line only has 2 anchor points, but with the width tool, you can add these multiple width points and therefore give this line a different thickness at these positions. This also works for closed shapes, and here you can also see there's a difference. So if you use it on a straight line or if you use it on a curved line. For straight lines, the width will only be adjusted in between the 2 anchor points. But for a curved line, it will be adjusted for the entire curve. So here we have like 4 anchor points, and with 1 left click drag, the entire thing is adjusted. But for a straight line, only in between the 2 anchor points. And this is always true. So even if we create shapes that are based on straight lines and curves, this will be the behavior of the tool. Let me show you this for example for a rectangle. A rectangle obviously only has straight lines. Therefore we have 4 segments that we can adjust. Top, right, bottom and left. But again, you can just left click drag and then left click drag on a different position and give this more of these width anchor points. The other extreme would be a circle. A circle only has curved lines, no straight lines. So here if I use the width tool, the entire shape will be adjusted with only 1 left click drag here. And this is how you can use the width tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.